Hello, my name is Chuck Hobson. I'm a Yank here in the Christchurch Museum of Electricity. You probably wonder how I came about being here. But the curator of the museum, Mr. Eric Jones, had seen my Tesla Coil. I'll talk about that in a bit later, the Tesla Coil. He saw my Tesla Coil demonstrations at a radio club up in Winbourne, and he wanted me to bring it down to the museum. It has no use, actually, except for the entertainment industry for special effects, but you'll see that in some other parts of this film, a Tesla Coil in operation. But anyway, I built this thing. The main coil is about 10 inches in diameter and has 1,000 turns of wire. So I'd put on about 50 turns and use a piece of plaster and hold it, go get a cup of coffee, cup of tea, come back about 10 minutes later and put on another 50 turns, and on this went. And after about 3 weeks of about 50 cups of tea and about 100 expletives, I finally got the thing finished. So that's how I came about building it. It is my privilege and honor now to demonstrate the Tesla Coil here to a group of linesmen who will be seeing it shortly, who are with the Scottish and Southern Energy Company. These linesmen will, of course, will be working at high voltage. They work on overhead lines to keep the area lit up and powered, and it's going to have several benefits to these people I'm hoping for. Number one is the display of high voltage at work, showing the dramatic effects of high voltage, which they will probably carry around with them for the rest of their lives, the image of it. I hope so, when they climb those high voltage lines and maybe save somebody's life. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Chuck.
Yeah. Have any of you seen a Tesla Coil before? No? You don't even know what one is?
Back to the future.
Yeah, well, I could give you a quick demo. With it. Ready? How high up do you climb sometimes for your overhead line work? Or
Come on, Dave, you can feel this one. 45, 40.
How much?
45.
25 meters?
45.
Huh?
Maximum.
Maximum 40 meters, I see. And if you come up with the voltage, first of all?
No.
Oh, it's about 200,000 volts, maybe 300,000. If I took the grounding earth away, it'll go up to maybe 500,000. But when I put the grounding rod near the coil where you get a direct discharge, it drops down to about 200,000. So anyway.
I've moved it around a bit for you, Chuck.
Okay. Excuse me?
I've moved it around to where you wanted it.
Okay, right. Okay. The other reason is it's current limited, so it's only a few microamps coming out of the top there, although it's 200,000 volts. The other reason is it's radio frequency rather than 50 hertz like your mains frequency. So I'm putting out about 100 bursts of our radio frequency energy per second, 100 bursts per second. It works with your mains frequency. It charges up to the positive cycle and then discharges and you get a burst of energy. In the negative cycle, it charges up again, and then it discharges, and it gives another burst. So it's 100 bursts per second. 100 is 400 watts. So this is putting out 400 watts of electrical energy. It's quite a small amount. Anyway, that's basically the discharge. That's called a direct discharge. You see that blue flash there. I'm going to put the cone on there.
Cone on.
There we go. Electricity has no respect for anybody or anything. It goes where it wants to go. You see a jam jar?
Yeah.
Okay.
With a bulb in? With a bulb in? Yeah, just set it right on top.
On top there?
Yeah, right. Does it switch on?
This is on, Chuck, yeah.
Okay. Right. Hey, Eric is winding it up now. This is a complicated process here, as you can see. Okay. Right. Right. And I can hold it while you run back there. Or you okay? Hang on.
Light speed?
Is it going around now?
It is, yes.
I get back. I don't like being too near it when it's doing this. So. Anyway. Hey, no, go. Okay.
Now, Eric, that is awesome.
Okay. I guess you're all now properly indoctrinated in the concepts of high voltage, you know.
You don't have to touch it, you notice. It can jump to you.
Yeah, it jumps to you. That's when we have youngsters demonstrating this. That's one of the things I tell them.
Do you want to burn a CD?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, yeah, pass it around, see if we can see what it is.
That's awesome.
Okay.